First, we will go with the perimeter, children.
And
Yes.
for rounded figures, we can find the perimeter by thread, ma'am.
Very good, regular, very good, very good, very good. I'll appreciate the boy Ashwath. Very good job, Mama. Perimeter. I will come to that topic only. Just wait a minute, children. What is perimeter? Suppose
The boundary, the length of the boundary of a shape of a 2D shape.
yes. Suppose I'm taking different figures here, children. Yes. In these different figures, I know this length is, it's what is the first shape, children? It's a square. It's rectangle. What is this? Rectangle.
Triangle and
Yes.
circle.
Circle. So now I want to find the boundaries of the boundary. Boundary means I just said, what about boundary? We know, children. Boundary is nothing but,
Ma'am, for
sorry, boundary is nothing but,
boundary is perimeter.
yes, just I am mentioning with a different color, children. You just see.
Ma'am, if for example, for square, all sides are equal. So, for example, if 4, we need to add up 4, like 4 into 4, which is 4 into 4, which is 16.
Yes, sir. Suppose as my student said, ma'am, this is 4 centimeters. So if it is a square means all sides are equal. So I can write all sides.
Ma'am, total 16, ma'am, because 4 4s are 16.
16 centimeters.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Perimeter of square is, perimeter means why?
4
Because
times 4 times the side.
4 times side. So 4 times of side is given as
4 times.
4 into side.
4 fours are 16 centimeters. Very good. Coming to the rectangle, children. Coming to the rectangle, I'm taking length as 5 centimeters and the breadth as 2 centimeters. So in rectangle, what you know about rectangle, children? Opposite.
Ma'am, 2 sides are equal, 2
Opposite.
sides are not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, opposite sides are.
So the length will length of both of the sides will be 5 centimeters and breadth of both of the sides will be 2 centimeters.
Very good. Now, can you please calculate perimeter of?
Ma'am, 14
Ma'am,
centimeters.
it is 14.
Very good. 5 plus 5 is 10. 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 4, 14 centimeters. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to a triangle here, this is, you just imagine it is 3 centimeters. It is 2 centimeters.
3 times 3.
2 centimeters. It is 4 centimeters. So what is?
We need to add up all the sides.
Very good. So here
Yes, ma'am. 9 centimeters.
So it's nothing but 9 centimeters. I want to find out the perimeter of this figure. How I should find, children? It
Ma'am,
is,
we need to take and we need to measure it around the circle, and then we need to again take the thread out and make.
okay. You
We need to make it into a straight line, and then we need to measure it by a scale.
very good, wonderful job. Very good, because it's a curved surface we have. It's not a straight line, so we can't find exact how much length is. So that as Ashwath said, we can use the thread and you just place around the boundary of the circle so that you can measure through scale how much length it is. That's one way. Is there any other way, children, to find perimeter of using formula?
Ma'am, radio.
Yes, yes. Is there any?
Ma'am, radio. Also,
Well, no. We have 2 pi r, children. Perimeter of your circle is formula 2 pi r, where pi value is 22/7. R is nothing but radius. Children, I will write. Don't worry about this. This is basic part. And the perimeter is nothing but length of boundary. You have to write that important formula, children. Length of boundary.
Ma'am, we should not be confused between perimeter and circumference.
Yes, yes. Here, why? Because both are same only. But these are curved surface. That's why we are taking as a circumference for
Yes,
particular
ma'am.
name for circle, children. It's a circumference. Very good, Ashwath.
And that circumference is the boundary of the circle, but perimeter is the length of the boundary.
Very good, very good. Yes, children, shall I clear so that we can go with area concept too right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the same figures I'm taking. Shall I clear the screen? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children. Now, next thing is area. What is area? Suppose I'm taking.
The space 2D shape covers.
Very good. As my student said, this is suppose, of course, if you take square, rectangle, and triangle.
And sir.
And
Yes, and of course it is circle I'm taking because okay.
How do we calculate the area of triangle, ma'am?
Yeah, I will give children because you are too small children. So don't worry, I will give the formula for there are different considerations we will take. If all sides are given, we can use one formula. If base and height are given, we can use one more formula, children. So as I said, what is area? Whatever the space occupied by the closed figure. Suppose whatever the space occupied this figure. What is the space occupied, children? Inside space. Inside space. Inside space. So whatever the inside space occupied by the curved region, yes, you just see in this figure, complete inside boundary, children. What just before perimeter means we are taking boundary length. Here, whatever the space occupies by the boundary, that place we can call it as area. Yes, how we supposed to define area, children? How we supposed to define?
The space occupied by a closed 2D shape.
Very good. A space occupied by the closed 2D shape. Or else, yeah, very important points you need to remember here, children. Area of a closed figure of a surface in its enclosures. How much surface? Suppose not only this, children, you can take whatever. Units are also very important for area. Units for area is square units, children. So that area can be measured in square units. What is area means? Thus, whatever surface bounded by surface bounded by 2D figure. 2D figure. Suppose here you see, children. Of course, first one is I'm taking length as here I'm taking length as yeah, any best example we will take, children, 3 centimeters. So all sides are equal here because it's a square shape. We know that each and every
12 centimeters.
so here area is nothing but length multiplied with breadth, children. Area is nothing but side by side.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Which is 9 centimeter square.
Very good. This is, we can write it as centimeter square or
9 centimeters
square centimeter. Very important, children. Just a minute, children. Students are waiting in waiting room. I will come back there. So Daksh is also not there in the class. Okay. Area. So here area is nothing but surface bounded by a 2D figure, surface bounded by the 2D figure, whatever surface bounded by the 2D figure. So here there are, if I am taking the length as 4 meters and breadth as 2 meters, what is the area of rectangle, children?
Ma'am, it will be
Length.
it will be 8 centimeters. 8
So,
centimeters square.
Length into breadth 4
8,
into 2.
8 centimeters square, ma'am.
Equals to 8
8
centimeter.
8 meter square.
8 meter.
This
Oh, 8 meters square.
till here you know very well, children. These two figures are new for you. You will learn about these two figures in your senior classes also. But one small thing I'm given. If base and height of a triangle is given, if base and height are given, you can find area of triangle is half base into height, children. You just, if you want, you can remember. Half multiplied with base into height. Or else, how to, yes. Suppose, yes.
And so that we need to have the base and then we need to multiply that base, that have the base with
Whatever
the
base and height, Nana. This is C is nothing but a height here. Why then Daksh today too late to the class?
Ma'am,
Daksh, I think you are late to the class.
ma'am, I was late, ma'am. Ma'am, because ma'am, I actually like went out, but ma'am, I came home a little bit late.
Okay, okay, okay. Anyway, the session is only
Ma'am,
area.
and by the way, ma'am, today is my birthday.
Oh, Daksh, many more happy returns of the day.
Happy
birthday,
birthday, Daksh.
Please wish Daksh, children, please.
Happy birthday.
Yes, where is Ashwath Reddy? And,
Happy birthday, Daksh.
happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday, Daksh.
Thanks everyone.
many
Happy
more
birthday,
happy returns
Daksh.
of the day, Daksh. God bless you, Nana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right, right, Nana. I think you are very happy today. Yes, you went school today, children. You went school today, Daksh?
No, ma'am, I'm actually out of Hyderabad.
Okay, right.
From a long time.
Okay, right. Now coming to the next, this is only the thing we discussed previous class, previous time, just before you joined, about perimeter. And what is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but boundary length, and area is nothing but whatever the inside space of the bounded closed figure, inside space of the bounded figure. They just we are doing, children, please come to try to follow. Here suppose base is given as 6 centimeter, height is given as 4 centimeters. What is the area, children? According to my formula, if base and height are given, half multiplied with 6 multiplied with the base into height. Now here 2 take.
Ma'am, so will it be
6 2s are 12. 12
centimeters
centimeters square.
square?
Coming to circle, children. Circle, we don't know. This is curved surface. We don't know. So that we can use the formula to find area of circle is pi r square. Where pi is nothing but instead of pi, you can use 22/7, or you can use the radius, children. Or means radius. Radius means center to any point on the circle. Center to any point. Suppose from this point to this point, it is given 4 centimeters, or it is given as 2 centimeters, or it is given as 2 centimeters. How you supposed to find area of circle, children? Very simple, children. Area is nothing but pi r square. So here you can use the 22/7 multiplied with r square means suppose if you take as r value as 7 centimeters, you can take a 7 into 7. 1 7 will be cancelled. 22 7 times. That you will learn in your later classes too, children, or else I will take one more screen and I'll help you, children. Don't worry. Shall we move to the next screen, children? Shall I clear the screen part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because there is no space to take a circle, children. Circle radius is given as whatever 14
7.
not only, yes, some I'm taking as 14 centimeters here. Now you need to find area of a circle. To find out area of circle, you need to use the formula pi r square. Pi is nothing but 22/7, as I said just before. And r square means R square means as other
Radius
day also I said.
Radius 2 times.
Radius 2 times kadana. Radius multiplied with radius.
Yes, ma'am.
So here
Which
radius
is
14 multiplied with 14. Yes, children, this is no number means it's a numerator only. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. What is left over? 22 into 2 into 14. 22,
96.
22, 22, 44 into 14. 44 into 14, how much children? 14 fours are 56. So 5, 14 fours are 56. 56 plus 5 is 56.
57.
616, ma'am.
616 what? Centimeter square, Nana.
616 centimeter.
Square, centimeter square. Why? Because it is
Okay.
area. Area is always measured in square units,
Okay,
Nana.
ma'am.
Area units. Units for area are square units. Square units.
Square.
If it is centimeters means centimeters. If it is meters means meters. Children, you just listen, children. Area units are very, very important, children. So that's why I'm writing a little bigger too. Area units. Whenever you are finding area units, you always write. If it is measures are given in centimeter square means you can write centimeter square, or meters means meter square, or kilometers means kilometer square. Whatever the units are given, you have to make as a square, or else you can write even this is very similar to square. Square centimeters. Both are same, children. Square centimeters. Coming to here, square meters. Short form we will write always, and the square kilometers. Like that we can use the units. If you are not writing units, you will lose 1 mark, children. They will cut 1 mark from your answer. That's about a basic part of the area and the perimeter. Now we will go with exercise sums, children. You need to calculate perimeter of the given.
Ma'am, we'll give a direct message to.
Yes. Now I'm going to take few examples. One student I will call you, children. You have to tell the first. We are going to find the perimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Now I want to call the attention of the student Lohini. Please respond, Lohini. Lohini, are you there? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
6 centimeters. Here 7 centimeters. Here 8 centimeters. I need to find the perimeter. Perimeter. What is perimeter? As I said, length of boundary. So
The
what
boundary.
yes, what are the lengths of boundaries here?
6, 8,
Ma'am, I
and
gave
7
the answer.
centimeter. We have to add it.
Very good. 6, 7, 8. What is the answer you are getting then?
22. 22 centimeter.
Is it 22, children?
No.
21 centimeter.
Very good. 21 centimeters. Therefore, perimeter of the given figure is 21 centimeters. Sometimes logical questions also ask you, children. This is very simple question. Sometimes, okay. Next, Gagan Karthik, please respond, Gagan. Gagan, please respond. This is a figure given. The boundary is given as 9 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 10 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. So, Gagan, if you are there, please respond. Or else I'll call other students. Sri Harsha.
Ma'am, it's easy, ma'am. It is very easy.
Very easy. Yeah, very, very
Yes,
easy.
ma'am.
Suhana,
Square.
Suhana.
Yes,
What
ma'am. We have to multiply.
No, perimeter I want to find.
Oh, okay, ma'am. We have to add everything.
Yes.
10 plus 9 equals to 19.
Okay.
19 plus 5 equals to
Ma'am, may I do?
24. 24 plus 31.
Ma'am, distribute. Sorry.
30. Ma'am, it's just 30, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
5
okay.
plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
9
Very good.
plus 9
Ma'am,
plus 6
10 plus
is
9, 19. 19 plus 5, 24. 24 plus 6 is obviously 30.
Perimeter equals to
Ma'am,
30
first we
centimeters.
need to do 9 plus 6, which is 15, and 10 plus 5, which is 15, and we need to add both.
Yes, yes, anything, children, you
Sorry.
can sum the boundaries, that's all. Suppose sometimes a figure will given some tricky figures also given. Children, don't worry. Whatever tricky is given, you have to sum up for finding perimeter. Now coming to the next question goes to the Ashwath Reddy. Ashwath, are you there?
Ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, can you give any area or no, ma'am, perimeter only, right? Ma'am? Yes. Very easy, ma'am, I can do. Yes, ma'am.
A few lengths only given, children. Very carefully you have to do.
Yes, ma'am. 3 centimeters. Six centimeters. 12 centimeters. 24. One minute, ma'am. Let me calculate.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's 51 centimeters.
Please, Daksh. Oh my God. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you give me another question?
Okay, okay. There are many
Daksha already
questions.
answered,
Given
ma'am.
is whatever the figure is given, children, the concept is you need to add up the boundary length to find the perimeter of any figure. That's all. If you know that, you can easily find out. Based on yeah, based on this, we have many questions in our test to children. So let me take a rectangle shape to find the perimeter of rectangle. The question is given like that, children. Find the perimeter. Yadharth Ratnam. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose dimensions, that means whose length is rectangle of length 15 meters, breadth 10 meters, and you need to find the perimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, ma.
50.
Ma'am, 50, yes, ma'am. Because 15 plus 15
15,
is
15, 30,
30
10,
and
10,
then
20.
10, 10, 20. 30 plus 20, 50, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Just
Ma'am,
two
50
times.
centimeters.
Right,
Meters,
right. Yeah, or else you have one more formula also, children. No need a formula because it's very simple task. 2 into L plus D. Because 2 times, this means 2 times L plus 2 times D.
Ma'am, distributive
times-
property, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
very good, very
You
good.
can use that in both.
Anything based on this you can so like very quickly also you can calculate. Right, next one. Next question goes to Ratnam. No, Ashwath Reddy. Find perimeter of rectangular garden is given here, whose length is 600
Ma'am, can you
meters.
just see your direct message once, ma'am?
Yes, 1 minute, children. 600 meters of garden length is given. Breadth is given as 100 meters. Please, you need to find out perimeter.
1,400 meters.
Yes, perimeter means 2 times 1200. 1200 plus 200 gives 1400 meters. So very good, very good. It's simple questions, children. The next one is a little tricky one. I'm going to give.
Mummy.
Okay, anyone, please, anyone. Here the question is given. A rectangular field has 120 meters long and 60 meters wide. What is given, children? Length is given as 120 meters long, and width is nothing but breadth. Both are same, children. Width or breadth, both are same. 6 meters wide. And calculate the length of wire required to fence the field having a gap of 1 meter for gate. How much wire is required for 3 rounds
ma'am.
of fencing to be done? Question.
Ma'am,
doesn't
6.
get-
Ma'am,
No,
is it
no, no.
60 meter or 600?
No, 60 meter only wide.
Okay,
My
ma'am.
question is very clearly you have to understand. I will read
Ma'am,
once.
one
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. 3. Ma'am, 299 meters.
No.
What?
Ma'am,
Listen,
Ma'am, you
listen.
said one space for a fence, right, ma'am? So ma'am,
No,
length
no.
to
Listen, Nana, listen. This is length and width of a garden is given field. Calculate length of wire
Ma'am,
required.
it's 1080 meters.
1000, and yes, Ashwath Reddy come to very near, but somewhere he is also missing.
Ma'am,
the
it is 120 plus 60, and that is 120 two times and
Ma'am?
62 times plus
Ma'am,
we need
till
to add.
end.
360.
ma'am, wait,
But
ma'am.
No,
Tell
ma'am,
me again
the answer is
your
till
question.
end.
listen, children. That's why don't interrupt. First, listen the question.
Wait, ma'am, don't tell the question once. Wait a second.
Yeah. Calculate length of wire required to fence the field, leaving a gap 1 meter for the gate. Find how much wire is required if 3 rounds.
Ma'am,
of fencing-
1083.
Ma'am, wait.
1083, ma'am.
Wrong, my
Ma'am,
dear.
ma'am, tell the question again. Ashwath is interrupting.
So here, this is
When
your
you are interrupting when we are trying to answer our question.
yes, this 120 meters. Breadth is given 60 meters. I want to fence this field around 3 times. 3 times means I want to 3 times because 3 layers I need to take a wire and I just want to fence. But one condition is given. Somewhere part in fencing, somewhere for gate, 1 meter gate length is leaved. Rest of the part is only fenced. That is the condition.
Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am, it's ma'am, it's wait, ma'am, I'm getting it. 900. Wait, 997.
No. So sorry, children. Ashwath, can you please?
Ma'am, you said 3 times.
Yes,
Ma'am,
3 times.
So multiplied by
Ma'am,
3.
don't
Tell the answer, ma'am.
I
Ma'am, so
won't
I
tell.
multiplied by 3. Is it wrong?
Yes.
Ma'am, so ma'am, wait. Ma'am, so we got like 60, 60, 120, 240. Wait.
Children, listen, I need to fence it. Whatever the 3 rounds, I need to fence the wire, children. But there is a condition is given. They have to leave 1 meter gap for the gate. In gate place, they won't fence. You know that part, children? Do you?
Ma'am,
know?
don't tell the answer. Wait, ma'am, I'm getting there.
No, I'm not telling children because I'm giving on your heads. I'm keeping the question because you should think in heads. 1 meter gate is there. In gate, we should not fence. That is the condition I will give. Suppose in your home only you think children
Ma'am,
are.
can you check your chat, ma'am?
Okay, 1 minute.
Ma'am, so ma'am, it's 1077.
1000. Very
77.
good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. 1 minute. Birthday boy, at last he got the 1 minute. Meanwhile, ma'am, Daksh is getting many chances. Okay, don't worry, Ashwath. I will give one more question. First, so sorry. Don't frustrate Nana. Let him enjoy today. Birthday boy, we are leaving him.
Ma'am, he's doing that every day, ma'am.
Okay,
Every
today.
no.
No, stop, Nana, stop. I will give one more question to you. Right, Ashwath, you can answer. Don't argue. We will. Daksh, please wait some time. Anyway, you got answer. We enjoyed a lot with your answer, right? Okay. Let me take another question. Another challenge is ready for.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, another challenge is ready. Suhana, you have any doubt here?
Ma'am, but can I
No,
private
ma'am.
chat you?
Daksh, can you please help others how you did the sum? 1 minute, I'll show my screen so that. Ashwath, don't worry. I will give right now one more question, one tricky question I will give to you because I know you can do the sum at any difficulty level also. Wait, ma'am. Yes, Daksh, please complete it. Please help others how you did.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, you have given
Yes.
60 breadth and 120 length.
Right.
Ma'am, so it will become, ma'am, for in total 240.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am. Ma'am, we need to, for 1 meter gate, we need to minus that 1 meter 3 times when we add and multiply 120 and 60.
Very good. That's correct only. Let him, let
360.
him.
Ma'am, then we
Yeah.
get 360. Ma'am, we
Okay.
have to multiply 360 with 3 and then minus 3 on it.
Very good. Why minus 3 you did?
Ma'am, because ma'am, we have to leave 1 meter for the fence, but ma'am, you told 3 times, so minus 3.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing is there. Without including the gate length, you just see, you know, perimeter as you get as 120 plus 60. You have to together multiply with the 2. 120 60 is 180 here. Multiplied with the 2 means 360. But 1 meter is left for gate. So 1 meter is left for gate means how much length you are keeping for one? So 359 meters. Like that, 3 rounds. 3 rounds means you need to add 3 times. That's all, children. This is one way
Ma'am,
easiest.
that also we can do, ma'am.
Yes. Now the question to Ashwath. Children, did you understand the part
Excuse
how
me,
we
ma'am?
did?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I at least private chat you?
Yes, you can. You can. You can. You can. Ashwath, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now our question is, perimeter of rectangle is given, Rashwata. What is given? Perimeter is given. It is given as 34 meters. Length is given. Length is given as 10 meters. You need to find breadth, question mark. You need to find breadth.
1 minute. I'll check that.
Come on, children, please think. Everyone's supposed to think. Please think.
10,
16,
10.
16, 17.
Ma'am, I got it.
Very good. What's your breadth?
Ma'am, breadth is 7.
Okay, if I'm taking opposite 7, 7 plus 7, 14. Very good, very good, Ashwath, very good, super. 7 meters. How you are getting? Please help others.
Ma'am, so we need
Ma'am,
to.
I present
minute.
you chat before.
Okay, okay, I will check.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ashwath, please tell.
ma'am, for length is 10 meters, so we need to add like multiply 10 meters into 2, which is 20 meters, and then if we subtract 20 meters, subtract 20 meters from 34 meters, we'll get 14 meters, and if we divide 14 meters into two parts, for two
Ma'am, we are
sides,
dividing because there are 2.
two sides, we'll get 7, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. Children, you understand how you have to verify your answer? Whether
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, check the
Yes,
chat.
ma'am.
Yeah. How you can verify opposite sides are equal for rectangle? He said 7 centimeter. So this side is also 7. If now you have to add up all 10 plus 10 is 27 plus 7 is 14. 20
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
14 is 34 meters. So as our answer is correct. Like that you can verify your answer to children. Yes, shall we go with another part of
Other question, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now?
Ma'am, free for all.
Now question for everyone should private chat, children. Lohini need to explain here, or else I will give to Sohana. Who are there? I am not. See, Gagan Karthik.
Gagan, ma'am.
Gagan is not respond. Gagan, are you okay to respond? Any difficulties if you want to speak here? I think no. Yes. Yes or no? Please let me know.
Ma'am, Anish not now.
Okay. Okay. Right, children, there are.
Ma'am, I just gave like 1 millisecond before his answer. Like,
Okay. Okay, right, children, right. Next question goes to everyone, not only particular person, everyone. You have to chat it. I will give some time, children. Within time, who are giving, let me see.
Okay, ma'am.
Chat. You just give answer through your chat. Calculate perimeter. Children, you just find perimeter or calculate perimeter of square side 10 meters. Come on, I want to check answers right now. Who are giving? Very good. I got answer from first answer from Ashwat, the second answer from Lohini. Very good, Lohini.
Ma'am, it was very simple.
Very simple, but fast.
Yes.
Ma'am,
It
can you
has
see the
4
question
sides.
properly, ma'am?
Huh? Yes, I got from Suhana. Where is Ashwat? Ashwat also. Ashwat.
Ma'am,
is-
maybe Ashwat is thinking.
Yeah, no. Ashwat also sent answer. Where is Yadharth Ratnam? And Gagan Karthik, please chart, ma. Chart your answer.
Ma'am, it is not there in the class.
Okay, next question is very good, children. Very super. You have passed. You are giving. Next question is second question is perimeter of square. Whose sides measures perimeter of square? Whose sides measures as 1.5 meters, Nana? Come on, you need to find perimeter. Come on, quickly,
Ma'am, I
fast.
got it.
Yeah, put it in chat box. Put it in chat box. Once you know, you can put it. Yeah, someone gave, Ashwat gave 7. 6, Siddharth given as 6, Lohini given as 6.
Ma'am, I think Ashwat gave wrong, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. I think previous question answers he sent right now.
Oh, okay. ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I gave
Ma'am,
for
it's
this
not
question.
previous, ma'am. Ma'am, he gave wrong.
For this question only, I'm giving now.
Okay, Ashwat 7 meters wrong. And
Ma'am, how is it, ma'am?
yeah, let me see. That's why I'm thinking why
You add, you get
where is confusion for you? Perimeter means what?
'Ma'am, see, ma'am.
1.5,
Ma'am, now in. Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. See, wrong, I
4.5,
did wrong.
6. See?
Sorry, ma'am. I gave wrong.
Okay, just children, please. One holes. How many are there? 4. How many halves are there?
2.
Four
I
halves.
mean 4, ma'am,
Four.
but that'll make 2.
2.
So 4 plus 2.
6 meters. That's all, children. That's all. Basic things, children. Basic things. I'm not.
Ma'am,
going-
one last hard question.
Now my another question to my students. Perimeter of square garden is given, children. Perimeter is given. Perimeter of a square garden is given. I'm just drawing. Perimeter is given as 48 meters. 48 meters. Here I want to find the side of the garden. I want to find the side of the garden.
Ma'am, I gave first.
Ma'am, each side is 12 meters.
Daksh, you should not tell like that.
Ashwath, right? Ashwath, you are correct. Very good, Daksh. Correct.
Others
You
will
too
copy
correct.
from your answer.
Ma'am, can you explain how we got 12?
Okay. Yes, Lohini, please come on.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Why 4 bit
Wait,
48?
Lohini is asking 1 minute. I will share her. Come on, Lohini, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
No, ma'am, I was asking how did we get 12?
So here all sides are equal, right, ma?
Yes.
How many equal sides you have?
4.
So you just divide with 4. 48 divided with 4 is how much?
12. Okay, ma'am.
Right, ma? You understand? Because it is square, all sides are equal. So we are dividing with 4. Wonderful, right? Right. Lohini, you got the point. How we supposed to get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Today, can I give what's time right now, children? A small quiz shall I give to you in this concept?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
need
ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
compulsory
ma'am.
Daksh will
Ma'am,
come
wait a
first,
second.
I
Ma'am,
need
1 minute.
Compulsory Daksh will come first. I know.
Ma'am, wait 1 minute.
I have a vision.
Okay, don't worry, children, who all are our friends only. Well, that much competition is healthy competition is needed in the classroom, children. I'll request my sincere advice because I know you are very fast. I know my children are very wonderful students in the class 6. You can compete a lot, but it should be healthy competition, Nana. I'll really appreciate my students because you are very good children. Please